Today in this class we are going to study the features of the physical divisions of India. Okay, and here we are going to study the features of each divisions of Karnataka in detail. As you all know that Karnataka is a part of the peninsular India, and you also know that North India has a vast plain, and when we come down towards the south you could see the undulated land. Undulated land means you could see more ups and downs in the southern part of India. So the average height of the land is 450 to 1500 meters from the sea level. Okay, and this land consists of mountain range, valleys, rivers and gorges, etc. Isn't it? So on the basis of this structure and the relief, the Karnataka physical division is being divided into three divisions, that is coastal plain, Malna Region and the Maidan Region. Okay, so the three physical divisions of Karnataka are coastal plains, Malnad region and the Maidan region. So three physical divisions. So let us discuss one by one. Firstly, we will do about the coastal plain. As a result of the reorganization of the state on the linguistic basis, Karnataka acquired a coast and the coastal plain as a part of its territory. Okay, and this physical division, that is the coastal plains, lies between the Arabian Sea and the Malnad region. So this is the coastal plain, and this coastal plain lies between the Arabian Sea and the Malnad region. Okay, and Uttara Kannada, Udupi and Dakshina Kannada forms, it means it comprises this coastal plain. Okay, so the districts like Uttara Kannada, Udupi and Dakshina Kannada comprises the coastal plain. Okay, and this is the land between the Arabian Sea and the Malnad region. So the length of this coastal plain is about 320 kilometers, that is from Karwar to Mangaluru. So this coastal plain length, it stretches from Karwar to Mangaluru, and the width is 12 to 64. Okay, the width of the coastal plain is 12 to 64, and you could see down, that is in the south it is broad, and as you go upper you could see it is narrow. So the width of the coastal plain is 12 to 64. You could see it is broad in the down part, and as you move forward, that is towards the north, you could see it's very narrow. So the stretch, that is the width, is 16 to 12 to 64. Okay, now let us know about the average height of this coastal plain from the sea land. It says that it is 200 meter. So the average height of the coastal plain from the sea level is 200 meter. Now let us know about the important ports that you find here. Okay, and some of the important ports that you find here are, you could see Karwar, you could see the Karwar port, Kumbata, okay, and also Honnavar, okay, Bhattakal near Mangalore. So these are the important ports that you find in the coastal region. Okay, Karwar, Bhattakal, Honnavar are some of the important ports that you find in the coast of the Karnataka. And important beaches are also found in these regions, that is Ullal beach here, okay, Pannambur beach, Someshwar beach, Malpe beach near Udupi, Karwar beach, Maravante beach. Okay, so these are some of the beaches that are very popular, and so there are also very beautiful beaches in Karnataka. And you also find some important islands also here in this coastal region. And some of the noted islands in this coastal region are St. Mary's Island near Malpe. Okay, St. Mary's Island near Malpe, Anja near Karwar, and even some more are also there like Kanjigutta and Devagad. Okay, these are some of the important islands that you find in this coastal region. Okay, so now let us discuss about the occupation that they follow. Since these people are near the coastal region, That is because the land consists of coastal areas. So fishing is the main occupation of the people in this region. Okay, and along with the fishing, they also follow agriculture also. Okay, along with the fishing, agriculture is also followed as their one of their occupation. And the important crops that they grow here are coconut, arecanut, cardamom, cashew, and paddy. So these are some of the crops that they grow here. And most of the people living in this region, okay, they follow fishing as their main occupation. Okay, so this is about the coastal plain. So coastal plains lies between the Arabian Sea and the Malna region. Okay, it is 12 to 64 in width. That is, you could see very broad in the south, and as you go steeper, you could see it narrow. And it stretches from Karwar to Mangaluru. Okay, and the districts that comprises under this coastal region are Uttara Kannada, Udupi, and Dakshina Kannada. Okay, so since these people are close to the coastal area, so fishing is one of the occupation of these people. And this is the region with very beautiful beaches, islands, and ports. Okay, so this is about the coastal plain. Now let us know about the Malnad region. Malnad region lies between the coastal plain and central plain. So this is Malnad region. So Malnad region comprises the district like Shivamogga, Chikmagalur, Kodagu, and Hassan. So Malnad region comprises these four districts. It lies between the coastal plain and the eastern plains. Okay, so this run parallel. So your coastal line and the Malnad region, they run parallel. Okay, both the physical divisions, they run parallel. Okay, and this Malnad region is one of the beautiful region among the three physical divisions of Karnataka. And this Malnad region is also been called with different names. It is called as a Sahyadri region. It is also called as a land of hills. It's because of the Western Ghat region. It is called as a one of the beautiful region in Karnataka, and also because of its rich flora and fauna. Okay, because of its rich flora and fauna, this Malnad region is called as a one of the beautiful range in the Karnataka. Okay, and the length of this Malnad region is about 650 kilometer. So the length is 650 kilometer, and the width and the length of the Malnad region is about 650, and the width is 50 to 76 kilometer, and the height of the Malnad region from the sea level is 900 to 1500 meter. Okay, this is an average height from the sea level. Okay, and it as I told, this Malnad region comprises the districts like Shivamogga, Chikmagalur, Hassan, and Kodagu. Okay, and even some part of Dharwar. Okay, some part of Dharwar and some part of Belagavi also comprises. It means also come under the Malnad region. So now we will know about the climatic condition. As you know, this Western Ghats passes through this region. So these Western Ghats stops the moisture laden clouds which carry, that means which come from the Arabian Sea, and causes a heavy rainfall in the Malnad region. So this Western Ghats, they stop the moisture laden wind. Okay, they stop the moisture laden wind that blow from the Arabian Sea and causes the heavy rainfall. And these ranges, this Malnad regions, not only allows the cloud passes away, it also holds the clouds and causes a heavy rainfall in this Malnad region. Okay, this is the speciality of the Western Ghats. Okay, this Western Ghats, that is Malnad region, Western Ghats, they stop the moisture laden wind which causes the rain from the Arabian Sea and causes the heavy rainfall in the Malnad region. And this Malnad region will not allow the clouds to pass away, to move further. Okay, so it withholds, that means it holds the clouds here only. So this leads to the heavy rainfall in this region. Okay, and it is said that nearly 80% of the rainfall, okay, receives in the southwest monsoon causes, that means monsoon season. Karnataka receives 80% of the rainfall because of this western Ghats, okay, of the Malna region. Karnataka receives 80% of the rainfall because of the western Ghats of the Malna region, okay. So it is said that about 200 centimeters of rainfall it occurs in this region. So wherever there is a 200 centimeter rainfall is there, you will find evergreen forest. So here in the Malnar region we find the evergreen forest, dense evergreen forest. So because of the forest and because of the heavy rainfall, this region experiences a cool climate, okay. It experiences always a cool climate. Even in the summer also it experiences the moderate temperature. So now let us know about the rivers. This Western Ghats is the birthplace of many rivers. Many rivers takes birth in this place. Some rivers they flow eastwards and some rivers they flow towards the western plains. While these rivers, while flowing through the Ghats, they form through the mountain. It creates valleys and the gorges. Okay. Along with this, it creates a natural waterfall when it flows steep slope. Okay, and it creates a natural waterfall. So some of the famous waterfalls that are found in this region are Bay Falls, Jove Falls, Gokak Falls, Unchali Falls are some of the waterfalls, beautiful waterfalls that you find in this region. Okay, so this is about the rivers. So Malnad region is the birthplace of many rivers. Many rivers takes birth here, and some flow eastwards and some flow westwards. Okay, and these rivers, while flowing through the Ghats, they form valleys and creates valleys and gorges. Okay, and they also form a waterfalls, and some of the noted waterfalls, as I just now said, Jog Falls, Unchali Falls, Gokak Falls, Abbe Falls. So they are beautiful waterfalls that you find in this Malnad region. Next, coming to about their occupation. Okay, the main occupation of the people of this Malnad region is agriculture. This is why, because they receive a good rainfall. So the so people here, they follow the agriculture, and the crops that they grow here are coffee plantation, spice plantation, tea, and paddy is also being grown here. So that's about the occupation of the people of the Malnad region.